Welcome back, and thank you for hanging in there with us. We really appreciate everyone who's stuck around to follow our journey through all of this. It's been a pretty stressful time for us, but we're determined to keep going. Last week ended on a bit of a cliffhanger, and we know a lot of you want to see what the technician found next. So in this video, we're jumping back in right where we left off, just after dropping our big lemon off for its structural inspection.
Take you where you wanna go. Take you where you wanna go.
Okay, technically it is morning number 1 in Bangor, Maine. We just dropped off Big Lemon to the dealership to have our SRT investigation or inspection done, and we needed to find some breakfast. So we did a quick search and we bypassed Dunkin' Donuts and we found ourselves at Tim Hortons like true Canadians.
Yeah.
And what did we find in this Tim Hortons?
A Canadian owner.
Who was actually working the front cash. He was excellent and super friendly, and
Yeah.
we found better customer service from a Canadian owning a Tim Hortons in America than we do Canadian Tim Hortons.
There's a reason for that, and any of our Canadian watchers probably already know it.
Yeah, I guess so.
That's all I'm gonna say.
That's all we're saying. Well, they weren't teenagers working,
No.
and yeah.
Anyway, we got some breakfast. And we're gonna go for a little drive, get some fuel, because my fuel light is on.
Yeah, we cut it really close yesterday coming in here, so gonna have to go a little bit across town to use that Open Roads fuel card to get that little discount and some DEF, and we wait for the call from Grand Designs SRT.
Yeah, burn the day somehow in this rain
I'm gonna have to edit.
in Bangor, Maine. I'm a poet, and I still didn't know it.
And it's raining cats and dogs. Willow is eyeing my breakfast. You don't get you had breakfast already. Now you're gonna go pout because I didn't give you breakfast, huh? I'm sure you'll get some treats because those guys at the shop really like you. But you're not getting my breakfast. You're not getting my breakfast. There's nothing here for you. Nope. Nope, nope, nope. She thinks if she sits that she's good enough to get breakfast, but it's sitting in my lap. And she's got her eyes on it. But she's sitting real pretty in the meantime. Aren't you? You're so pretty? No, you're not. Right as we finished fueling, we got a call from the SRT. He'd found something and wanted us back immediately to look at it. When we arrived, he showed us a crack in the metal on the driver's side of the rig. After taking a few photos, we stepped back and let him keep inspecting and repairing. Around lunchtime, we were able to shoot a quick video to show the work he'd completed at that point. Oh, I should show.
Yeah.
What's this?
Welcome to our rig. It's really stripped down. We're in Bangor, and well, take a look at this. Grand Design. SRT is here to take care of our flex issues. They found a few things. One crack, I can show you that. Right there, he's already got it ground out, welded, and then reblended. I guess nobody's really seen our repair from a couple of years ago when we had some flex problems. But here's what we did. You can see the gussets going straight in and up on an angle on every connection point. And also over here. Did them there. And our GD tech was pretty impressed with, I gotta stand up here, with the gussets that were installed in the welding. He said it was a really good job. So yeah, looks like a mess, but it's coming along. I just unplugged the batteries for them so they could do some welding. They're gonna install these gussets, big plates, and they're gonna replace this piece and go here, which I guess is a
Sort of a newer
new kind of repair for them.
or reinforcement.
And also this piece of angle iron, 2.5-inch angle iron, is going to go up here as well, just to support this cross member into the 2x, I don't know,
4,
8?
I think.
4?
4, 8, something. Anyway,
Something like
the thing
that.
that goes up here.
Yeah,
We're not.
we're not big pros. I don't remember everything he says. He says a lot.
Yeah.
So it's a lot of information to grab. So far we're pretty happy with what's happening here. We still have to wait for the report to go to GD.
For this section, which is this coming away, some of the cracks that we're seeing in the fiberglass, and there's also one on the
There's
top.
also one way up here on the top corner. You can't really see it from down here,
Can't really.
but it's about 2 inches.
Our roof flexi thing has been taken care of. They also installed 2-inch leg bolts, replaced.
No, 1/2 inch by 4-inch lag bolts, which is the TSB. What is that called again?
It's part of the technical service bulletin that's
Yeah.
out for Momentums right now.
So I think we had
And-
1/4 inch or 3/8 in there.
Yeah, 3/8.
And then they pull those out, replace them with the bigger ones.
Yeah.
So they got that done.
And we already talked about how this morning we noticed one actually backing out, so it's good timing.
Go figure.
Yeah, and so that's all replaced on the interior.
Oh, huh. When we met him last night, he did an inspection of our chassis area, and he found a crack in one of our CRE 3000 suspension components.
Moride suspension components. We'll take you here inside a shop. Jason's doing a weird thing. and this is what SRT and GD has done for
So
us.
he said, I just may happen to have a set. So here we are. We're going to
find a place to.
find a space to install them, but he's like, here, this should fix you up. And I'm like, well, how much is that? What do we owe you? Not a damn thing. So the SRT guys, top notch. That doesn't discount the troubles we have had getting to this point. So I just want to be clear that they're doing everything they can to help us out here. It should have never came to that point where we had to fight so hard to get it here. And that's on the head office, the management teams, and all of that. So
I'm sure I'll read somewhere in some video, or I have read, let's see, quote unquote, in our experience, these are a result of an impact, which
it clearly was not.
nothing is.
There's no visible damage.
Yeah, at least as far as the welding and the cross members go. Like Jason said, this SRT tech, I mean, he's given us extra screws to fix some of our missing ones from our paneling job.
Fasteners,
Suspension parts.
Going above beyond, booking us a hotel room tonight because we do need a place to stay.
Yep. So the welding won't be done, or the welding may be done today, but they have to put it back together.
Yeah.
So they've gotten us a pet-friendly room.
Paying for dinner, so I'm eating steak tonight.
And we're gonna be Canadian about this.
Of course.
And then
I won't get lobster, but I'll get steak.
We are in Maine.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, maybe it's cheaper down here.
Yeah.
How much did we pay for fuel today?
Oh, it was pretty good. The U.S. has got one thing down pat. Fuel prices are pretty darn good. Even with the exchange rate and what we saved off of our
Open Roads
card, it was like 40 cents a liter cheaper to fuel up here. That's with the U.S. exchange rate to Canadian dollars.
Yeah.
It's unbelievable.
Yeah. So while we still we're grateful for the SRT and our persistence in asking / suggesting / demanding one come to us, we're still going to say that we're part of the less than 1% club because
I mean, obviously we're having issues. So,
Yeah,
but
there's
hopefully we're
still-
getting them fixed.
still a fix to come.
So for everyone out there that's not gaining traction, just stay persistent.
Be professional.
Be professional but stern,
Yep.
and demand what their logo says.
Customer service.
Yep.
Yep. Just figured, we can take a look at the parts and pieces that come off. That's our front pylon.
Yeah, this is our wall.
And hold on. This is our aluminum wall in the front of the rig.
I don't know. This thing has got more holes in it than Bonnie and Clyde's car does on the side.
And
That
there's
tells you how many times it's been on and off.
some of our moldings and our Jenny cabinet door. He did say that he fixed on the driver's side. There was
The screws backing up
a screw backing out.
because the molding it's been pushed on the molding for so long.
Yeah. So anyway, you can still see it. There was a screw popping out here, so he fixed that. He pulled back all the
Yeah.
molding and that sort of thing. And I'll give another look at this weld, the crack that got fixed, and the width of the steel brace that's going to go in, and the L bracket. So Jason jokingly said that it was going to add to our GVWR.
Yeah, I like them strong, but that's I don't know. That's a case of beer there. It's easily a case of beer.
All right.
Okay, we're gonna go get some lunch.
Yeah, we're packed up and we're ready to go into a hotel. We learned a few things, and we'll take that knowledge and pass that around to anybody who would care to listen. So far, our experience with the SRT has been excellent, but we maintain that the email exchange with corporate and customer service reps has not been. So we're gonna go find some lunch. Talk to you later.
Captain's log.
3 o'clock on
3:17 on the afternoon of Tuesday,
October.
the year's Lord 2025.
Tuesday, October 21st. We have been sitting in the parking lot
All day,
all
most
day,
of the day.
taking Willow out for a walk or two. Went to get lunch. Ooh, we didn't do a review. We had Moe's barbecue in Bangor, Maine.
Pretty good.
Pretty
good.
good. Yeah, I had brisket platter with mac and cheese and a Mississippi mud pie for dessert. And the mister had
I had ribs. Potato salad.
yeah,
What else did I have?
with a banana pudding.
Banana pudding. That was really good.
Oh, and they had cornbread, so
Yep.
that was pretty tasty.
Yep.
And so Momentum Big Lemon update. Our SRT and one tech from the dealership are currently working on it. They're adding the extra steel plates, those corner bracket things, I don't know what to call them. So he's doing the passenger side right now, and he'll move on to the driver's side when he gets done that. And Jason and I were being a little nosy, checking in, seeing what was going on.
Gotta learn some stuff.
Gotta learn some stuff. Jason has designs on becoming a welder one day.
No, I do not.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Not my
Anyway,
forte.
yeah, work is ongoing, so it's 3 o'clock.
They're not gonna finish today.
No, I guess we could go check into the hotel if you're up for that.
Yep.
There's a spider.
There's gone a spider. Yeah, we'll go check in.
We'll go do that. Okay. And poor Willow needs to have a break from the truck. She's getting a little anxious. I don't think she spent this much time in the truck in a while. Did I cover it?
Yeah, baby.
Are you winning?
No, I just lost.
You look like you need a nap.
I need a nap. It's been a day.
It's been a day.
The repairs are complete. Seeing that crack was a little disconcerting. I'm not going to lie. Obviously, it's not as bad as others that we have seen out there. I'm glad we kind of caught it at that stage and it didn't get worse. It got repaired. Hopefully, that's the only crack we'd ever see or experience. Who knows? It's an ongoing issue with the flex problems for the units that are having them. We're cautiously optimistic that the flex problems are behind us, but time will tell. The 2-inch or 2.5-inch angle iron gusset that they put in, I don't know how much faith I'm going to put into that, just because I'm, well, A, not an engineer. 2, it's not very big. I mean, although the welding looks pretty good, looks like you've done a good job on the welding, the same as the larger gussets that go down onto the frame. Time will tell. We'll have to let you know in a future updated video on the quality of the repair. I mean, maybe some of you out there that are maybe steel engineers or along those lines and have that experience can let us know in the comments and let us know if that repair looks adequate. We still have to get the fiberglass repaired. We do have an appointment at Busted Knuckle to get it looked after. Grand Design has agreed to work with us on it to get the repair fixed, although they're thinking it's just a cosmetic issue, but we believe it's a structural issue. I think there's some wall frame members in there that are broken, but we won't be able to tell until there's an assessment completed on it through Busted Knuckle. Outriggers have been great. No bends, no buckles. For obvious reasons, it's a lot thicker steel. They're welded in much better, so we've hit some road conditions that aren't so great. They've held up really well. We've had 3 major weld repairs. The first that we had done in our driveway in 2022 when we first started experiencing flex problems. The second is obviously the outrigger brackets that we had completed. The third is through the SRT, and see, we've had it at the dealership and they installed some angle iron brackets and stuff to support the wall with the upper deck. Time will tell. Until then, we're going to meander down the road, continue on with our travels, and hopefully get to Texas soon and find some warm weather. In the meantime, we'd really love it if you hit that subscribe button and hit that like as well. It really helps us out, and you cannot believe in how much we appreciate you.